Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to open project in Windows with a shortcut. So this is very easy and simple method. So just press and hold window key plus P. So you see this is project will be open. So very simple and easy. Just press and hold window key plus P. So project will be open. So this is very easy and a simple method. So this way you can open project in Windows with a shortcut. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment if this video work for you or not.